Here. Now today is gonna be a really fun video, you guys. This is a video, and I am in the car, so it's gonna be like a vlog type video, but you guys are totally gonna love it. Like, I really feel it. I feel it. You guys are gonna love it. But anyway, this is basically a video where I take you makeup shopping. And guess what? We are doing makeup shopping on a budget. Y'all, let's have some fun.
Hello, CKey followers.
They are supporters.
Okay, CKey supporters, CKey lovers, CKey, all CKey. I've got my whole auntie out here today to show us how to get makeup on a budget. And I'm so excited because I've been bugging her for the last year to show me plain face, E, how to do makeup. Holidays are coming up. I have a whole fiance and a mother of 3, and I want to be cute sometimes. But with an infant at 3 months, don't necessarily have the time to do it all the time.
So, with that being said, on this spree, how much are you trying to spend on makeup?
Because I love makeup, and I love the way CKey looks all the time. She's so flawless.
Well, thank you, dear.
Oh, anytime. Even though I love it, I'm not interested in spending thousands of dollars. So my budget today is $100. And I want to be flawless from day to night with a budget of $100. And I think CKey can definitely make that happen for me.
All right, let's do it. Let's see what we can do. Now, usually I recommend, if you are shopping for foundation, I recommend, because you know at a drugstore you can't test. So I do recommend bringing like an old foundation of something that you already use, and then matching it, you know, with the color, like holding it up to the bottles to see which one best matches it. But because I forgot to tell her to do that, we're just going to take this color or this shade, and then I'm like holding it up to her neck and her chest and all that to see what matches her the best, and we're gonna hope for the best. Because we are on a budget, and because she is a new mom, and one of the things that she wants to conceal is dark circles, we're gonna get the Age Rewind that actually conceals dark circles. I would like recommend a color corrector and then, you know, getting a concealer, but hey, we're on a budget, so we're doing budget-friendly stuff. So now we got to get a brow pencil, but listen, if you're going to do brows, you need a good one, and I totally recommend, I stand behind NYX brow pencils and ColourPop, and there's a couple of others, but since we're here, we're going to grab one of these. Okay, we need to get her a primer, and a really, really good primer is from Rimmel, and this is $7.59. It is a makeup primer. It is Fix and Perfect. Let's do a tally really, really quick. So we have the foundation, $5.99, brow pencil, $9.99, $4, $7.99, concealer. Okay guys, everything is here. I'm just waiting for her to ring us up, and let's see if we stayed in budget. Now, let me tell you this, I have a Target debit card where you get like 5% off too, so we'll see. I'm definitely gonna use it because I definitely believe in saving money. Okay guys, here we go. They're ringing everything up. Let's see where we are. Let's see what the red card. Oh my gosh, 106. So listen, we are now leaving Target, okay? And we spent $106. But listen. She said minimal, right? So I was not gonna get her a powder to bake with, but she had to have a powder to bake with. And guess how much the baking powder was?
Baking powder.
$6. So we totally would have met budget if she wouldn't have got a baking powder.
Who makes cake without baking powder?
No.
Must bake.
No.
Must bake.
So technically, I met the budget totally.
She did.
I totally did.
CKey bakes, so I
don't bake. I said I don't bake.
It's a must, so I
No, I don't bake. I said.
Set, bake. I'm gonna do it all.
All I want to say is y'all have me under a whole lot of pressure. I have never done anything like this in my entire YouTube career. Actually, I don't even think I've done this in my entire life. I've never had a budget and had to stay within budget and yet pick really good products to give you like a flawless look. Never ever. So she totally took me out my comfort zone today, and my heart is still beating right now. It's like pounding. What do you have to say for yourself?
Well, I think that I am a voice for the people, and the people have spoken, and you performed flawlessly. So ladies, as we get baked, beat, flawless, I'm ready. And all under $100.
Well, exactly $100. And you had to bake.
And I had to bake. Now listen, I'm gonna bake.
There we go. There's the light. Actually, if you guys want to see the application and you know, see how it looks and me teach her how to do it or whatever like that, then you guys totally have to tell her to come on down to my crib. All right, guys. So we have made it back to her house from the store, but we are going to show you the products up close and personal, and we have the receipt.
because we pull receipts on everybody. Okay.
Okay, guys, so let go.
This one for my eyebrows to
Okay.
be flawless and,
Yes.
and draw those in.
Yes.
Yes. So
In the
those-
color chocolate.
in the color chocolate,
Mhm.
like I like my men, chocolate.
I can't.
I'm gonna need you to. This is the e.l.f. blush and
Bronzer.
bronzer. I'm really excited about my little makeup haul here. Then we have,
Right, your makeup haul, how
Yes.
cute.
and this is the L'Oreal mascara for the eyelashes.
Voluminous is one of my faves.
Yes, her
So we had to
face.
get it.
She
It was
stands
only-
behind it.
I stand behind it, and it was only like $5-6.
So the whole time, YouTube, while we were in Target today, the product she stand behind, she was sounding like Denzel from American Gangster, where she's like, I stand behind it, I guarantee it. So yes, she was Denzel all through the store today. Miss Sonia, this is the eyeshadow palette. This is my day to night look that I was telling you guys about because I told her I need to go from day to night, and it's all in this one palette.
Amen.
So that's my NYX eyeliner to go with my eyeshadow and my brows. We have my Fit Me, and when I tell you Fit Me, we tried this after we left the store with the powder and the liquid foundation, and honey, it fit. So I now stand behind that. So that's my Fit Me liquid foundation. So next we have my primer. This is for priming.
For your face.
For my face. Listen, this is under $100. I'm a beginner. Do not judge me. So, like we said in the store, I am a brand new mommy. My baby is literally 3 months old, and I am suffering from sleepless nights and black circles. So, this is that anti-age corrector, make everything look like I am
Wide awake.
wide awake with no infant. It's the Starbucks for your face.
Really?
Yeah. This is my bronzing and contouring palette, which I'm going to use as a highlighter. She insisted that I have the angle brush for angling.
Your brows.
Brows.
When you sculpt your
my
brows.
Yes.
Now, we did not get a whole lot of brushes because I actually gave her brushes before, so that saved us some moolah.
With my day to night look, this is my NYX lingerie lip gloss, which I'm super stoked about because I'm in love with like nudes that kind of have a pink hue. Here's my nighttime look, which I am really, really excited about because this is totally out of my comfort zone, but this whole process is out of my comfort zone, so why not? So this is my e.l.f. eyelid primer, which I'm going to be using on my eyelids
Before you put eyeshadow on.
before I put eyeshadow on.
Yes,
So that's my e.l.f. eyelid primer. With this, we did stay under $100. But something C-Key always does that is very important to me, or doesn't always do, but I think she always does, that makes everything pop, is she bakes. I felt like, why should I have to be raw if she gets to be baked? So, I'm going to be baked like C-Key. That's all I know.
This one is the sheer, not the clear one. I don't know what the difference is, but that's what the packaging said. And you guys, since I had such a great time doing this, I totally challenged myself, and I really shocked myself. I thought, like, I had this idea, like, ding. Right. I totally had this idea. Why don't we do a C-Key hour? Like, why not hang with C-Key? Why not shop with C-Key? And do it like via Skype or something like that. So if you guys are interested in, like, you know, some type of consultation like that, I will put my email in the description box, as it always is. And hit me up, and maybe we can get something going. All right, you guys, so if you enjoyed this video and you want to see her come back and see how she uses the products, don't forget to thumbs up. All right, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of your support. You guys have an awesome day. You guys have an awesome
Last. I don't know how to C-Key voice.
day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Love you guys, and I've been a fan of C-Key since like